Unlocking the mysteries of space, the fascinating journey to 101,955 Bennu. Our universe is filled with countless celestial bodies, each more intriguing than the last. Yet, one has recently caught the eyes of scientists: 101,955 Bennu. This small, spinning top-shaped asteroid, floating millions of miles away, holds secrets to our past, present, and future. A literal treasure trove, it offers clues to unraveling the mysteries of the universe. NASA's OSIRIS-RX mission, an ambitious space exploration program, seeks to uncover these secrets. An incredible journey, it marks a bold step into the unknown. Upon reaching Bennu, the spacecraft will collect samples. These pieces of the asteroid, ancient and untouched, might answer age-old questions about our universe's origins. But the mission isn't just about collecting samples. It's about sparking curiosity, stoking the fires of discovery, and inspiring future generations to continue exploring the cosmos. So, join us in this exciting journey as we venture into the depths of space. Together, let's shed light on the secrets that Bennu holds.